it is called Minecraft Block Crazy. Oh, guys, welcome.
Then magic. Go inside your house.
Inside my house.
Yeah.
Okay.
And stay there. So look at this. Pick a card, any card. This in the middle.
This.
This.
No. The middle card.
This.
The middle card.
Yeah, this the middle card. Don't show it to me. Remember the card and don't say it. Remember it, okay? Now put it back there.
I'm only seeing the number.
Put it back there.
I'm only seeing the number.
Now, want me to magic it. Ito. Snap my finger. Look at this. This. This, your card.
No.
Snap that. You will hold it for me. Now I'm gonna snap again. Yo.
Hanggang maubos yung card, hindi pa
This
na
is your
nakikita.
card. No. Oh, that's not your card. Diba? May card dito na nakaganito. Pag nalis mo ako dalawang beses. Diba? So, yung may kuya ewan yung, bulong mo sa kanya yung number mo. Bulong mo sa kanya yung number, tsaka color. Oh, kailan yun. Oh, ito yung mga card. Tapos may isang nakakulay black dan. Ito namin natin. Dan.
Ito. Yun.
Hindi yun.
Ulan.
May naka-upside down parang naka-card dan. Tulad mo.
Ito.
Ulisin mo isa. Oh.
Hindi naman yun yung card nila eh.
Oh, ano? 3.
At check natin sa house. Normal, di ba? Normal, hindi
Sa
magic.
akin mo gawin. Sa akin mo gawin.
Ha?
Sa akin mo gawin. Kaya Daniel mo ginawa eh. Bata yan.
Hindi ka na card. Dili.
No.
Dili. Yan.
Come here, boys. Hiya.
Sabi din.
Dead. Finally dead.
Middle na.
Okay.